Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys been doing great. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you guys, some of the one of the accessories that I actually bought. All right, for my Nintendo Switch OLED. Okay, so this is part of the series that where I show you guys some of the accessories that I actually purchased. So this is one of it, right? So I actually purchased this. I actually come across this brand called Skull and Co. from one of the Singapore Nintendo Switch online community. All right. Initially, I didn't know that we have this kind of accessories for Nintendo Nintendo Switch. Sorry. All right. So I find it's quite interesting. All right. So the thing is, it makes the handle of the gaming experience. All right. In terms of handling of the console, much more enjoyable. All right. So as you guys know from my the Nintendo Switch OLED review, if you have not checked it out, alright, so there's some things that I like, something I don't like about the Switch OLED version. So you can check out this link, alright, I'll link it for you guys so that you guys can check out that video as well. So one of the complaints that, or one of the negative point that I don't really like about the Switch OLED is, you know, it feels too small for me, right? So, and I just find the whole maybe the way of holding this console or the Switch OLED console itself could be improved, right? So that's why when I come across this, I actually decided to give it a try, right? I didn't know how good it is, and I haven't tried it. So today I'm going to do a unboxing and initial impression or initial impression of this Skull and Co. NeoGrip they call it. So this NeoGrip is the new version, especially for Nintendo Switch OLED version, right? So I think the previous one they have, it covers the whole back of the console, right? But now it has a cutout, right, just for the kickstand because OLED version has the kickstand, right? So without further ado, guys, I'm just going to dive straight in, all right, into unboxing, right, this this Skull and Co, right, this product. Okay, so let me just take it out. Okay, so I actually, anyway, guys, just for information, I actually purchased the bundle set. Actually, you can just purchase, this the I mean the handle itself, alright, the casing I'll call it, but it also comes. I bought the carry case as well, so it comes as a set. Okay, so yeah, so come out of the box, right? It will be this, okay, and of course after that you have these two the grip itself. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, so just show you guys what the box at the back looks like. Okay, the side, okay, and then the other side as well. Okay, so you guys can have a look and pause the video if you need to. Okay, so let me just before I open up the case, so maybe I should just open up this two small grip itself, right? So this is a grip, right? I think this is a spare grip if I'm not wrong, so let me just take a look. So it's just plastic, right, guys? That's it, right? So I think it's meant for you to hold on like this, right? So it makes your hand more comfortable, right? So this is it. Let me just put it here. Okay, so the next one will be the casing itself, alright? So it's quite a big case, right? So let me just put it aside first. Okay, so this is pretty big case, right? It's bigger than I expected. I don't know if I can actually bring it out, but the case is pretty cool. Skull and Co logo, pretty comfortable material. Okay, so it looks quite sturdy, right? So when you unbox it, okay, first you get the manual, the user manual, guys. Okay, right? It supports in-case charging, by the way, guys, right? So it's pretty dope, right? And then there's the instruction on how you use the case, right? So let me put aside. Okay, so the next thing that comes out of the box, okay, is that NeoGrip itself. right? So let me just put it the other side. Okay, so I think initial impression, I think it's quite okay, the build, right? So let me just take out this. Yeah, I hope I will not destroy this. Let me just take a look. Okay, managed to get this out. Okay, so here is the card box, right, with instructions behind. Okay, I haven't looked at it. Fitting the new grip, removing it, switching the grip, alright, and then switching to fit regular switch. Alright, so this one, the good thing about this, right, is you can use it for both the OLED version and the OG version, right? So I think you just need to remove one of the tabs here. I think no, you need to remove the here, because the old one is a bit smaller, right? So you need to shift this in, right? Shift this in, right? Then you can fit the OG OLED, right? So I think here it is. And it comes with another set, okay, of the grip itself, right? And then after that, there's nothing else really, right? So it's just this, okay. So I will look at the case in a bit, okay. Let me just share with you guys. I think there's quite a few grips. Let me just refer back to this, right? Okay, I think this is the snap grip. Okay, so this is the small one, right? The one that they attach, right, I believe is the trigger grip. Okay, where you can do this, right? Can you see my hand? Right, so you can use that. And the other one is the plus grip. Okay, so this is the big one, right? So this is the big one. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys, right, how am I supposed to remove this, right, and change it. Okay, I believe there is supposed to be a way to change it. Let me just take a look. Okay, so basically what they say is you just need to slide downwards, right? So that's all, right? So you just need to slide downwards, right? Okay, and then you just change the other one to this. Let me just take a look. You just need to slide upwards. You just need to slide upwards. So let me just try, yeah. Okay, I'm just as new as it is. Okay, let me just see if it works this way. Well, so there is it. There is it. Okay. If you install it correctly, there should be a snap sound, right? So here is the plus grip. So this is the big one. Okay. And then if you want to remove it, you just put it down. Right. Same for this as well. Okay. So the next thing that I want to try, right, is I'm going to fit my this switch, right? Okay, which I just installed, the D-brand skin. Guys, really, D-brand skin, no joke. You really need to try. Okay, it's really nice. So I'm going to remove the Joy-Con. Am I supposed to remove the Joy-Con? No, right? Yeah, I'm not supposed to remove the Joy-Con. How stupid am I? Sorry, guys. So, okay. So it says that you need to remove one of the Joy-Con. Okay, right? So I'm only left with one. Okay, and then let me see if I need to remove anything here. Okay, so I need to remove this, right? This is the slider. Okay, and then I need to put it back, put here. Okay, right? You can see it's putting in here. Alright, so the next step, okay, slide back in the control, right? So, oops. Right, so I believe you should be doing that, right? And then you need to slide back in your control, right? I think it fits pretty well. A bit of force, but I think it's okay, right? So I think it's in, right? So to prevent this thing from slipping off, right? So you just need to insert back this. Right. I think this is it. Right, so I'm not sure why is it not locking in, but let me try again. I think it should be able to lock in. Right. Okay guys, I think you just need to slide it in, that's all. Alright, so there's no force needed, right? So you just need to slide it in, that's all. Right, so let me just power up my switch. Okay, so initial impression, I think is quite comfortable, right? So I think it's you guys can see, right? So here's the back portion. Okay, so you can just, I think everything works pretty fine, pretty well for me, right? So I think this really makes the whole gaming experience a bit nicer, I feel, right? Because it's so thin, right, at the side for the switch, right? So when you game, right, then I think you will have, your hand will have fatigue, right? So I think this really helps, all right, on my initial impression. Okay, so but it might have shifted my deep brain skin a bit, but I think it should be okay, right? So yeah, I think it's pretty cool, pretty dope, right? And you can actually, you know, still take out your, you know, the stand, right? So you can still take out. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about, right? Okay, so I'm not sure if it can be docked, but let's try. It looks okay, right? You can still dock, but I'm not sure whether you can charge it, guys. But so far I have not seen anyone tried it so far, or have heard it, right? So maybe you guys can give it a try. I don't have the charger with me right now. Okay, so the next thing I want to try is the, you know, the charging, the case itself, right? So I think the case is also pretty dope, right? So open it up. There's a USB-C. You can actually charge it from here though. Let me just take a look. I think there's different ways that you can actually shift the switch. Okay, so I think you can put it here, you know, and all that. So I think you need to have some sort of support here, then you put your switch over here, right? So I think it's pretty good, right? Here you can put some of your accessories, right? And then some of the cables here. Overall, if you ask me, this casing is quite nice, right? I think this one you can also carry the switch itself with this casing attached, right? So I think it's supposed to be this way, right? So let me just try. Yeah. Right. So here you go, guys. You can actually fit the whole switch inside, right? With this. Okay. And I'm using the bigger, you know, the bigger thumb grip, right? So you can just bring it out with you, right? I think it's pretty dope, to be honest, right? It's pretty nice. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I think this one should improve your gaming experience in terms of comfortability. Anyway, I think you can actually slide. See the viewing angle, so there have to be a support, and then I think you can also charge through here, right? So I think overall, if you ask me, this cost me around $100 USD, if I'm not wrong. No, $80 USD. If you ask me whether it's worth it, I think it's okay, right? If to be honest, I really feel gaming on just the Switch console itself, the Switch OLED console itself, is a bit small for me, so that's why I considered getting this, right? So I don't think I regret it. I think this is you should consider buying for yourself. I will link to the Skull & Co website for you to have a look and purchase. I think they just came up with this Animal Crossing, this version. It's pretty nice, but unfortunately I'm not going to buy. It's quite expensive already, right? So I think I'll just end off the video by showing you guys how I remove this from the casing itself. So first of all, you need to remove one side. Okay, so it's a bit hard, right? So you need to exert a bit of force. Okay, right, and then you need to remove the slider, right, and then boom, here you go, right? So here is it, right, and then you just need to switch back to your this. That's all, right? So and then what? Everything is back again, right? So and then here, okay, you just need to switch it back. Okay, that's all. You just need to put it back. That's all, right? So it's a bit not unable to put it back nicely. Yeah, clip it back. That's all, right? So, guys, I hope this for all of you guys who are looking out for an alternate way to increase the comfort while gaming on Nintendo Switch, right? I think this is it. Okay, this is something I remember. There was another brand that is almost similar. I can't remember, but it was in the US, right? So I think NeoGrip, okay, from Skull & Co, definitely I recommend it. Sorry, I think it's pretty good, pretty dope, right? Especially the casing. Oh my god, it's really sturdy, guys. All right. Personally, I do like it a lot. Okay, maybe I'll try out for another month or so. Not usually, I'll try a month so I can give you guys more updates, or some of the things that I like and don't like about this thing, about this product. Okay, so initial impression, I think it's pretty comfortable. You guys can consider for your holiday present, right? If it's still in time to ship. Okay, I'll link the description, or I'll link the website in the description below. Let me know what are the things that you like me to check for you, or test on this product, that can help you make a more better informed decision before you buy, right? So let me know in the down in the comment section below. Okay, right? So that's all from me today for showing you guys the Skull & Co NeoGrip. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this video helps you. Right, if you like this video, or this video had already helped you, right, please do consider to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot as a content creator, so I can get more stuff and do more review, and to help you guys as well, right? So thank you so much, and please stay safe, and I love you guys, right? Stay tuned, stay safe, and see you guys again. Right, bye.